Hey everybody, welcome to our little class again. Again, I'm sorry for all the weirdness this term, but I hope you all are getting used to it. Um, we're going to be working on a couple of units here, and I've got them more or less on the screen. We're going to be working on a couple of things I've already talked to you about a little bit. One is about Mars and some physical attributes of Mars. This is not everything you'll see on this, but I put these questions up and this homework up a couple days ago, and already people have begun to do them, and they've done them properly. So I think there's enough information out there for you that you can figure out how to do these. There'll be some questions on Mars and some questions on the gas giants. We're just starting off on this, and we're not going to spend that much time on it just because of our time constraints. But you'll be looking this week primarily at Jupiter and some of its conditions, but also some Mars and some attributes of Mars moons, Phobos and Deimos. And I may think of another question or two about Phobos and Deimos, because that's something that's kind of interesting about those. So we'll spend some time on that. Then you've got some homework about the nature of the gas giants that is there formally. Now, one of the things I want to tell you about that I've kind of changed my mind on from initially, what I'm going to do is, if you submit electronically through Canvas homework, when you do that, I'll know obviously you were online, therefore you'll get a credit for attendance from turning that in. I want you to turn in at least one thing a week. Some of you are a little behind anyway, so you probably should be able to go off and do that work. And when you do that, you'll get attendance for each assignment that's completed. I'm going to put some more assignments up. I'm doing this on Friday afternoon. I'll do some more assignments and some more videos tonight and tomorrow as I can, and then we'll get through this and you'll be finishing up on this. When we get done with Jupiter, Saturn, Neptune, and Uranus, we'll go to other things that are the things that are way out there. Pluto, which is very interesting recently, some things about asteroids, and some things about exoplanets or planets that are very, very far away. So if you got questions for me, please text me or whatever you need to do, and I'll be happy to contact you and work through some of the problems with you. Have a really good day.